In this video, we will learn how to install the current NetBeans version on Windows 11. For NetBeans, we need Java. So at first, we will install the current Java version. After that, we will install NetBeans. Let us start. We will install the current Java version. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. oracle.com/java. Here directly click download Java. Now the downloads are visible. Go below. Here different versions are visible and here is the current version. I'll go for Windows. Okay. And under Windows, I'll click the exe installer, that is 183 MB. Here it is. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Java setup started. Click next. Here the path is visible where Java will get installed. Keep it as it is and click next. Now Java will get installed. It is complete. Click close. We have installed Java. Let us set the path. Go to the place where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files, and here it is Java. Double click. After that, double click JDK. Go to bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. After that, click the first one, that is edit the system environment variables. Here it is. Click open. Now set the path. Go to the advanced tab. Click environment variables. From here, double click path. Now click new and paste the same path. Right click and paste. Okay, we have pasted the same path. Now click OK. After that, we need to set one more path. So under system variables, click new. Here mention Java underscore home under variable name. That is here, and under variable value, paste the same path. I have pasted it. But here you need to remove bin. So I'll just remove it. That's it. Okay, now click OK. Here we have set the Java underscore home path also. Click OK. And the last OK. So we have installed Java. Let us go to start and type cmd to verify. Click open. Java -- version and press enter. So the following shows that we successfully installed the current Java version. Okay. Guys, we successfully installed the current Java version. Now let us install NetBeans. Go to the web browser. On Google, type NetBeans and press enter. The following official website is visible. Click on it. After clicking, directly Apache NetBeans 29 is visible. That is the current version. Click the download button. After clicking the download button, you need to go to the following and download the zip file. Click on the following zip file. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Here is the zip file. Right click and click extract all. Click extract. Now let's wait. We have extracted the zip file. Here it is. Click on it. Click NetBeans. After that, go to bin. Double click. And here your NetBeans is visible. Click on the following. Double click. The installation started. We opened NetBeans for the first time. From here, you can directly go to File and click New Project. Here select Java with Maven and under Projects, select Java Application. Click Next. Now add the name of your project. Let's say I'll name it Amit Java application. You can add any name, and this is the location of your projects. Okay, here you can add your package also. Let's say I'll mention com.studiopedia. You can add any package name. This is optional. Okay, click finish. So we have our Amit Java application project, and it automatically created a new Java file. Here what it is doing, it is displaying the package name which we have said before. This is the class name. Okay, remember the class name should be equivalent to the file name in Java. Then we are printing hello world. You can change it from here. Let's say I'll just print my name. Okay, I'll just go to file and click save all. From here you need to run, and what will be the output? The output will be Amit Diwan, because whatever you add inside print ln gets printed. Click here. Now the output will be visible. Here it is, build success. Okay, Amit Diwan is visible. So for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. For free Java notes, refer to our website studiopedia.com. Thank you for watching.